Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to use advanced attachment features in BBP Core. Before we begin, make sure your BBP Core Pro license is activated. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Go to the BBPC settings, then to Attachments. Here you can enable Show Attachments on Topic Replies. You can select the size of your attachments. You can select the number of files to upload at once. You can also hide attachments from visitors. You can select who can upload attachments. There are also many options available for attachments. You can explore them by yourself. I leave this to you. After customizing, save the settings. Let's go to our topic forum page. Let's reply with an attachment. Upload the attachment and submit it. Here you can see the attachment has submitted successfully with reply. Thank you for watching.